My name is Wilin Sindon Okroshi. I am 37 years old and I live in Katigan, Toril, Davao City, and I am married and I have 6 kids. I have 4 boys and 2 girls. Their ages is 18, 14, 11, 9, 6, and 4. We have 12 siblings and I am the 9th, and I am a high school graduate. As a mother, I am caring, loving, and multitasking. And I want to work in Hong Kong because of the financial problem, and I want to give to provide what they need of my children. My husband and my family side will take care of my children, and I have a 2 years work experience here in the Philippines since January 2020 up to January 2022. I serve 3 members of the family, and I serve 1 couple and 1 newborn baby. My main duties is all around, like cleaning, washing, ironing, buying the food to the market, and take care of the child. Hi mom and sir, please choose me as a house helper, and I want to promise to work hard and I want to finish my contract. And thank you and God bless. God bless.